So, ito na. Dito na pumapasok yung importansya ng belt. Okay? So, itong belt na to, actually malaking tulong to. It's a back support. Especially pag nagpo-perform kayo ng deadlift, ng rack pulls, ng squats, or in mararamdaman nyo talaga yung tension sa lower back. So, itong belt na to, it will hold your entire, parang almost lumbar part na sa may lumbar part natin. So, i-hold niya. Para at least, kahit papaano, mas maging steady. Okay? So ito naman, kung gusto nyo bumili ng belt na ginagamit ko, I'll just put the link on the comment section, no? Para at least makabili rin kayo ng mga back support ninyo. So let's go. Okay. Okay, yun. So napakalaking tulong talaga ng belt. I-hold talaga nyo yung back mo for better performance.